Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Tanya. In this channel, we talk all things real estate, investing, and mindset. And today's video, we're mixing both real estate investing and mindset. So I have been a real estate investor for over 5 years. I love real estate investing. I think that it's the best thing that you can do, especially if you're looking to build generational wealth. So I thought about what I wanted to make a video on, and I thought the best topic would be to talk about mindset shifts I have had over the last 5 years. My first tip for you is to treat your property like an investment. This is a liability, not an asset. A lot of people go into this thinking that they are going to be making money passively, that they are going to not put in much and get a giant return. It doesn't really work that way. You have to be very patient, especially like when tenants need you to go fix something. I had a tenant whose AC went out last week. I have to have good contacts at where I'm able to call them up and let them know, hey, so this is what I need fixed. Different things like this. This is not an asset, and I know that a lot of people, teach real estate to be an asset, but when you are treating it as an investment that is a liability, your money shifts. Your money works differently on this. Yes, a house is a savings account, but you also have a separate savings account in case something goes wrong. Once again, back to the AC example. Yes, I had the person, was able to fix it, but that was like another $4,000 out of my pocket that I had to come up with. And a lot of people only like seeing the fact that, you get to go collect a check each month. You're not seeing all the things that you have to maintain to be able to rent that property out. So yeah, treat it as an investment. Treat it like the business that it is. Make sure that you have your own savings account set up for this, and you'll do amazing. My second piece of advice is to always be learning. Have a growth mindset. Make sure that you are always learning about how to take care of your tenants, how to deal with tenants if you happen to run into an issue. Learn the state laws around you in case you ever need them. Make sure that you're always learning, following other YouTubers. You're obviously here because you love to learn. You wouldn't be sticking around for this video if you didn't. Make sure you're always learning different ways to invest as well. You guys can flip homes, house hack. You guys could turn them into Airbnbs. I think that all these options are amazing. Choose one, master it, then move on to the next one. That is always my piece of advice, because I see people going into real estate and wanting to do everything at one time. Once you've got rentals down, maybe move on to Airbnbs or go do a flip. Have fun with it, but make sure that you are also mastering your craft. And once again, this goes back to the first tip. Make sure you learn how to run your own business and how to become a landlord, because again, you are the owner, you are the person in charge of this, so make sure you are doing it correctly. Tip number 3 is mostly for when you're looking to buy homes, is to make sure that you understand your options, especially when it comes to finance. Make sure that you are talking to loan officers, real estate agents, maybe a hard money lender, which I have not done. I don't have experience with that, but it is an option. So make sure you are taking advantage of the resources around you and that you're always learning and growing with them. And the last tip I have for you is to be positive in this, because a lot of things are thrown your way, and I'm not saying to be positive and live in like a la la land over there. No, I'm saying to be positive, understand that bad things are going to happen. We're in a recession right now, so obviously we don't know how much worse this is going to get or if it will even get worse. But have a strong mindset in that sense that, like, yes, you can watch the news, you understand it, but you know your finances, and your finances are the ones that are keeping you stable and helping you have that clear, stable mindset to where you're positive. So positive, but like a realistic positive, if that makes sense. Yeah, because it is so easy to fall into those negative headlines and have a negative view of everything that's happening. And sometimes it does not go well. Sometimes it doesn't go well. That's just life. But we have to be able to take our situation, analyze it, and look for other options of what we could potentially be doing. So for instance, at the beginning of the panorama, you know, it was March, we were doing well. We had an Airbnb that had literally just started that January, and we didn't know what was going to happen. We didn't understand anything. I don't think any of us did at that point. So we sat down, we cleared our heads, we were like, okay, well, if this thing is really as bad as they say, we can't be going in to clean it, because at that point we were still cleaning it ourselves because it was our first Airbnb. And so we decided to go ahead and shut down the Airbnb and turn it back into a long-term rental. Do I wish I would have kept it as an Airbnb? I don't know, because honestly, tourism did go down during that time. And yes, while it did pick up in 2021, we have kept it as a long-term rental and it's functioning great for us. Do I want to turn it back into an Airbnb now? Yes, I do. But obviously is going to take some time. And let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see that process if it ever does happen. So be able to pivot. Be able to make those changes if you need it. Because, you know, fear is a very strong thing. It can succumb your life. So pivot when you need to, and you know, things will work out. A lot of these marketing agencies, that is what they're supposed to sell you, fear. But if you have a strong mindset, you have strong finances, you'll be fine. And yeah, so I think that's where I want to end this video. If you guys like this comment, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. It really does help the algorithm. And if you guys have any content you guys would like to see, let me know in the comments below. I'll be making more videos regularly. And yeah, I think that's it. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.